Okay, I am going to take apart this Mten3 so that I can vamp it, and I also want to remove the battery so that I can probably airline travel. I've previously vamped it, but I'm going to remove the vamp point and change the connectors. Anyways, this strap here, that'll work because I don't have a tripod. Okay, so first step is you have to take off these black plastic strips. And that's probably one of the harder things to do. You start at the bottom, near the wheel. And you gotta use a small screwdriver. You might be able to use your fingers too, it just depends. So let's see if I can get that. And you want to do it carefully because you want to break the plastic clips. So let's see. I think I pry it up a little bit. And there's a clip right near the bottom. So let's see if I can get that. It's hard to see probably. There's that clip. You look in there. Yeah, I have a flash. Okay, I can see the clip. So you put your finger in here inside. You can find where the clip is, little tab, and get that out without busting it. It's a hook kind of clip, so you know where the tab is. Should be able to get it out. Watch me break it now. Should be able to get it out without breaking it. Easier said than done. Okay, so actually I can see it on the inside. I'm pushing down on it with a screwdriver. Did I get it out? No, I didn't get it out. I don't want to apply too much force. Okay, get my fingers under it. Let's try the other side. So if one side is hard to do, you go to the other side. Okay, once I get this off, it'll be apparent. Push in from the bottom. Should have done with the gloves on. Cut it off last time without breaking it. Push forward a little bit. You may need a better screwdriver. Okay, I got it off. I got this one side off. You can see there's a hook here. There's a hook there. So that's, you got to get that hook out of this slot. So that's one side off. I'm going to put a screwdriver in there so that it doesn't go back in there. And let's try to get this side off. So put a screwdriver in there, kind of wiggle it around, and push it up. There you go, you push it up. Push it up, you can see that it gets that hook out. Okay, now the other part, so getting the top part off, there aren't hooks, but they're tabs. So you just got to kind of go carefully. See, in your foot you'll hear a click. Use a little bit of leverage if you can. So if your M10 is brand new, you know, you might scratch it up a little bit. Mine's already scratched up from, oops, let me turn that off, the first day. There we go. Okay, so you can side. You see there's these little tabs here. Those are probably not going to break. They're pretty sturdy, and they fit in those slots. Okay, so that's one of these black side plastic molding pieces off. Let's get the other black side molding piece off. Same process. Go down to the bottom, and I should use a slotted screwdriver, but I have this handy. And you got to push up so you don't break that hook. Okay, pushed up, put the hook out. Okay, then it's up and over. See, that hook's out. You don't want it to get back in. Same thing. Screwdriver at the bottom, get the hook out. Okay. So the hook's out. Now you just carefully pry it up. You'll hear a click. You got to get these tabs out of those slots without breaking the plastic. So look, those guys are at the top one's a little harder, so you need a little bit of leverage, but you don't want to do too much. There we go. See, it sounded like it was going to break, but it didn't. Nothing broke. It's pretty flexible. Okay, so you see that's off. The backside black plastic is off, and you can see these are slots where the tabs fit in. Okay. So, first thing you got to do is remove some screws. So, if you look, we want to work. I'm going to start working on the left side of the Mten3. This is to do the vamping. Put this XT60 connector in there. You see this XT60 connector that I put in? I had it come at the bottom, and I could make it shorter and more flush maybe. And I also want to change the connection point inside, but you'll see that. Okay, so bear with me. So there are 4 screws on each side. So there's 4 screws on this side, the left side. Turn it around, and there's 4 screws on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so I'm going to remove the left side screws first. And you need the right kind of driver. I think this is a number 2 Phillips. What I found is the thin Phillips was stripping the screws, and that wasn't really the right size. So I got this little bit thicker Phillips, which I think is number 2. Okay, so remove these 4 screws. So loosen that one, loosen this one. Okay, I'm going to pause this.